best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm drinking.
What up, fam?
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Dale.
And I'm Jazz.
And today we are coming at you guys with a cooking video for this seafood week for this mukbang we're about to eat.
That you probably already saw.
Yes, today it's gonna be seafood nachos. Yes, fam, y'all heard that right. We finna have seafood nachos.
But
before we get into that,
make sure you subscribe
and hit that bell to be notified
every time we post a video.
Because that bell ain't ringing, then your phone won't be synced. So if you don't see the parentheses on the outside of that bell, then it means you won't be notified we drop videos like this. So let's get into the cooking, fam. With these seafood nachos, we're gonna have a diced shrimp, and scallop mix. Then we got some crab meat here that's gonna be going into this sauce. Now, I know you guys might be wondering why these are two different shades on this Parmesan cheese. These are two different shades because the top one is actually aged for 10 months Parmesan cheese, and the bottom cup and a half is actually just regularly aged Parmesan cheese. So the color variation, that's why it's there. Now, we have to put our chips in the oven first because, as you guys know, seafood does not take long to cook. Now we got us some good salsa verde chips. And we're gonna have lid on one side of our good pan here. And we got some scorching, fam. Different flavors.
I hope we remember which one which.
You should. The scorching all broke up and stuff though. I have to eat them boy with a fork.
So while Bay is putting these chips up on this good old pan, how y'all doing today? And make sure you give the video a big thumbs up and comment down below. Let us know how you guys are enjoying seafood week.
Yes, do that. Because as you guys can see, we having fun. We are having fun. Now, fam.
Got our church.
Yeah. Now we finna top this boy with a nice cheese mixture. Then we're gonna throw this in the oven.
You can use pepper jack, sharp, whatever kind of cheese you like.
Yes. Let's see. We like the white cheese because I was gonna make a cheese sauce. But you know what? I figured I wanted to seal my chips on in with cheese. Now that that's done, fam, we get to cooking our seafood.
That thing hot. We have already seasoned our shrimp with our whatever kind of seasonings you like, seafood seasoning, some red pepper flakes in there.
For about 3 to 5 minutes.
Chips going in 3 minutes.
Same time the shrimp went in. Same time chips went in. It's about the time it's gonna take us to cook our seafood, For 3 minutes.
Okay. And we season the seafood very lightly because it's seafood. And we got cheese and stuff, so you don't really need too much. You want to taste that seafood.
Right. To have its natural flavors. Fam, if y'all hear the boys, don't be too upset because they wanted to be in the video, but it's too late. Too late.
They're supposed to be asleep.
They're asleep, but they heard mommy and dad in the kitchen and decided they want to partake. So how y'all doing today, fam? As y'all see, we're having a wonderfully marvelous day. Been a pretty uneventful day.
Happy Taco Tuesday.
Hope you guys enjoy. Now let me clean. Part of my progress, I just gotta clean up after myself so it's easier to go ahead and just eat when this video is ready.
Ooh, y'all, it smell good.
So what time went in?
You finna get it, take it out. It's 10:18. You gotta cook it fully before you start adding the cheese.
Mm-hmm. Add my heavy whipping cream.
1 cup. Babe, tell them where they can find this recipe. 2 cups Parmesan cheese.
This vlog.
Huh?
This vlog.
This vlog, I'm weak. If you really want to do it, y'all, all you gotta do is let us know, and we'll tell y'all the measurements.
Yes.
Y'all just like to see us cook it so far. It's pretty simple though.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, y'all. Our chips have come out. And then we're waiting on the sauce. Well, not the sauce, the complete toppings, period. Getting ready to top our chips, fam.
Follow me, fam. Woo, look at that. Look at that.
You still want lettuce?
Yes. Lettuce, please.
Y'all know we gotta get our vegetables, fam.
What would you say if I told you that lettuce was a useless vegetable? There's no nutritional value in lettuce.
I would be sad because I love lettuce.
Okay, well I won't tell you then.
And I thought.
I won't tell you that then. That's why people swapped us. Espinaca. Spinach.
Oh, spinach.
Yeah. You can put a little more on my side. Mm-hmm.
You know why we made all this?
I'm finna go in. I want some jalapenos on my side too.
Okay. For pretty looks. I ain't mean to go in that much, but I am.
We finna get up out of here and go to go eat this food for y'all.
Y'all already know what time it is.
We hope you all enjoyed this cooking video because it's been long overdue.
Yes.
And we really hope you enjoy the seafood nachos mukbang. So until next time, fam. Love you guys.